Welcome to the future of submarine manufacturing, a fully automated facility where precision is paramount.
Alignment holding steady.
Confirmed. Proceed with automated clamping sequence. Gantry 4.
Adjust the abrasive head's rotation speed.
Confirmed. We need flawless surface integrity before the next phase.
Check the routing path for the blue coolant line.
Confirmed. Channel 7.
Sonar array is active.
Weapon status check complete.
Rollout proceeding as planned. All stabilizers report nominal load.
Roger that. Dry dock clear for approach.
Hull sensors indicate green across the board.
Acknowledged. Continue monitoring forward trajectory.
%. All systems green. Navigation, telemetry stable.
Maintaining controlled descent profile.
Copy that, engineer. Passing 100 feet.
Reroute power to the forward sensors. Done. Flow simulations updated.
Engineering, confirm dampeners engaged. Sonar, verify passive acoustic signature is nominal. We are silent.
Yes, all green on the lower thresholds. Keep monitoring the outer hull sensors.
Very good. We are running silent.
Contact bearing 090. Range unknown.
Noted. Maintaining silent profile. Oxygen levels stable.